Hello, friends. Myself, Dr. Deepak, and today is a fifth day of our corona duty. We have completed the fifth day of the corona duty today, and now the 10 days are remaining. Counting is going on. Uh, we are taking our medicine regularly and we are healthy. Not any symptom till now, so it is a good for us. And now the whole things are becomes routine for us, but we are not going outside our room from the 5 days. We are going only for the round time. So I think we have to try some outings also, but let me see. uh, we are taking very much precaution, and we are not going outside this hostel area, and it is good for us and it is also good for the others. So today I am going to explain about the PPE kit and the masks which are available to us. There are the three types of the mask here. We are using the three types of mask, N95 mask. So this N95 mask, one type of mask is they have the elastic which can be hang on the ears, and these N95 masks are good for the routine use, but it is not so much good for the patient round time or with the PPE kit actually. And the other two types are, they are the good one is like the cup. You can use it like a cup, and but these mask it is also very much suffocated, so I am also not suggesting you to use this type of the mask. And the third one, it is a one mask which have the metal nasal strip, and it has a two elastic which can wear on our back side of the head, and it is a very comfortable and very protective mask. So we are using this N95 mask, and I think it is the best mask which can use with the PPE kits. Then about the PPE kits, so there here we have the two types of PPE kits. One is the white colored and one is the blue colored. So the people's who have experienced the white color PPE kit, they said that this PPE kit, it is a very heavy and it is really very suffocated. So it is a suffocated means it is also good. It has also good protection. But if you have to take a long round about the 2.5 hour or 3 hours, so you will be suffocated in white PPE kit. So we are not using this white PPE kit. We are using the blue PPE kit, and it is not so much suffocated, but it is also a very good protective kit. So the I am suggesting that the blue PPE kit that we are using, it is good for taking the rounds and all that. Okay, so we are using these PPE kits. Today, one patient is complaining that after taking the Yestimadu tablet, the coughing is increased. But actually, we are giving the Yestimadu tablet for the treatment of the coughing, and generally it is not causing the coughing, but it is subsiding the coughing. But one patient is complaining like that, so I have stopped her Yestimulu tablet and given him a Behada syrup. So it is also very good, if effective in the coughing problem. So let we see on the next day what is improvement in his coughing and all. So all the good experiences are happening, and patients are also discharged very soon. Mostly the patients are not here stay for more than 2 to 3 days. In the 2 to 3 days, their symptoms become subside, and they are giving the medicines, and then they are taken at their home quarantine. Okay, so in the at the home of the patient, if there is a availability of the extra room where they can be stay alone and home quarantine, so it is preferable for them to be home quarantine. Because the rush of the new patient is also very much every day, many new patients are also coming here. So the patients who have the symptoms, it is most important that to provide bed to that type of the patient, and who are the asymptomatic or the very little symptomatic patients, they can also be home quarantined, okay, with the medicines. Okay, so this type of policy is used here. I think that I am not confirm about that, but most the patients are discharged within the 2 to 3 days. So the new guideline, which is provided by the government, it is like that. So this guideline is follow here. So many new patients are coming. Some areas have become like a hotspot, as here is like the is Halol, and here in the Padra, in the Vadodara, and all these area, mostly patients are coming from these areas. Okay, and we have also seen that the patients, more patients are coming with the same family. Okay, so if in the family the one patient is become positive, so many other family members are also becoming the positive. So it is suggested that the people in the home also, they maintain the social distancing. So if the one person going outside the family, it is coming with the corona, so only this infection will be only relate to himself, and not spreading to the other family members. So it is also important to separate and that type of the patient. If anyone has any type of the symptoms, so he must have to be home quarantine itself. So it is the suggestive for all the family members. So we must have to maintain the social distancing, and using the mask, it is only the way till now, because the vaccine is not available at here. So hope so you all may understand the seriousness of this corona, and you will be safe, healthy, and happy. And happy Friendship Day to all of you. Thank you very much.